Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and I just got my June of 2023's bargain bead box in the mail, and I'm really excited about it. I started doing some videotaping outside, but then my phone, I don't know, it's doing funky things, so I'm back in the studio to film that. This month, the theme is Summer Sunrise, which I'm really excited about that. And we have all kinds, it says bright skies lie ahead with these warm summery colors. A sparkling cubic zirconia sun pendant brings the heat, matched with agate and Malaysia jade, quartz accents, plenty of sparkling crystals, and high quality gold findings. So let's see what's inside this month's bargain bead box. So when I opened up my package, the first thing I noticed was that it's in a yellow organza bag, so I was really excited about that. I love yellow. But then something else I noticed, we've got different labels. And I'm actually really excited about how they're doing these labels now. Normally, you have a number on here, and then you have your paper with all the different coordinating numbers. Now we just have bullets. And I'm just going to grab and tell you what is in each of these. And it not only tells you what's inside, but how much it's worth. By the way, the retail value of all these, if you were to buy them separately, is $80 this month. But as a subscriber to their bargain bead box, you get a discounted price. And for your first box, if you use a coupon code that I have down in the description box below, which is Flamingo, you can get an additional discount. Anyway, let's go through these. So these first things I open up, I noticed that the label is incorrect. And then when I look on the little cheat sheet here, it says this item was sold to us mislabeled. It has a label identical to the sun pendant, but it should read, so this is what these are, 5.5 millimeter crystal English cut faceted round beads, goldenrod AB 10 inches, worth $4.99. I absolutely love these. I am a sucker for yellow beads, and these are beautiful. So we have some chain, which I'm always happy about. It is a 3.5 by 2.5 millimeter stainless steel textured oval jewelry chain, 18 inches, worth $4.99. Those are really pretty. It has a lacy effect to it. All right, these next beads. Oh, we got some agate here. It's a 10 millimeter crackle agate round beads, maroon DH. I don't know what DH means. Oh, dyed. Let's see, DH. Oh, dyed and heated. Duh. 20 pieces, worth $7.99. And they kind of look maroonish to me. They're, well, it says maroon on there, so they are definitely maroon. And I like all these different inclusions that they have. Nice beads. All right, these next beads are an 8 millimeter matte deep orange crackle agate round bead, dyed and heated, 7 inches, $5.99. These are really pretty. You can see all the crackling in there. I love those, and they are definitely orange. And then, let's see, let's do this one. This is a sun pendant. I love the sun. 33 by 32 millimeter, 18 karat gold plated brass and cubic zirconia sun pendant, $9.99. Here's the other side. That's really nice. Like I said, I love the sun. This next thing looks like a clasp. And I bet it's a magnet clasp. A 15.5 by 10 millimeter, 18 karat gold plated brass magnetic clasp, $3.99. Yep, it is magnetic, and it's a strong magnet. These are really good for people who have dexterity issues. And I don't know, I might use that on a bracelet. I have a hard time getting bracelets on and off sometimes, and that might be something good to use. I just bought this bracelet on my last cruise, and it has a magnetic clasp on it, and I absolutely love it. All right, let's see what we have next. Ooh, these are pretty. Pink. So we have a 8mm crackle agate faceted round bead, dyed and heated, 7 inches, $5.99. We got a lot of natural stones in this box this month. I love that color. Flamingo pink. Okay, let's do this one. This looks like some more pink stuff. And these are crystals. 8mm crystal faceted, bold cut round beads, magenta coat, 20 pieces, $4.99. Ooh, yes, those are beautiful. So what are they calling this cut? Bold cut. All right, let's do some more crystals. These are really pretty. I hope this color of blue. So this is a 8 by 7mm crystal faceted lantern beads, teal coat, 20 pieces, $4.99. Oh, those are really pretty. They almost have like crackling inside there. Those are beautiful. And we're going to do some more crystals. These are purple crystals this time. And these are also lantern cut, 8 by 7mm crystal faceted lantern beads, amethyst coat, 20 piece, $4.99. I love the colors of everything in here. They're very, very nice. Let's see, let's do, got some more suns here. That's one side. That's the other side. It's a 17.5 by 15.5mm, 18 karat gold plated brass sun charms, 2 pieces, $3.99. Those are nice. And they match that pendant very nicely. Oh, we've got some bead caps. Always like the bead caps. 30 pieces. 7mm swirl bead caps, lead-free, cadmium-free, 30 pieces, $2.99. And there's a lot there. Bargain bead box got me hooked on bead caps. I love them. All right, look at these. More crystals. Ooh, those are pretty. Looks like little sunbursts on them. Look at that. 14mm crystal faceted coin beads. Magma AB, 8 pieces. No. 6 pieces. $2.99. Those are pretty. And then we have some more crystals. I love bling, and they said there was bling in this, and there definitely is bling. 4mm crystal bicone beads, Magma AB, 13 inches, $3.99. And then we still have more. What is this? Is this a big bead? Yes, it's a big carved bead. 24 by 18mm carved agate oval bead, dyed and heated, $2.99. And it's kind of a magenta, maybe? No, it's more of a purple magenta, I guess you could call it. It's really pretty. I have a feeling that this is going to be a different color in each box, just because it is a natural stone. But it is really pretty. Mine's more on the purple side. And then look at this. This is, this is the Malaysian Jade, which is a dyed quartz, it says. Oval pendant, 35 by 16 millimeter, $5.99. One thing, when you find these little pendants like this, I know most of my friends like the understated look, including myself. I mean, I do like to have pieces that are a little bit wild sometimes, but for the most part, I like to have more simple pieces. And for this, we have that chain, and this, you could just put it on the chain and you're good to go. Or if you like things that are overstated, you can use all these beautiful beads to make you a really nice statement piece. All right, looks like we have some spacer beads here. 5.5 by 2 millimeter corrugated rondelle spacer beads. They're lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free. 10 grams, $2.99. And then last but not least, we're going to open these up. And as I look in there, I'm a little disappointed because we have two things and they're two different colors. I kind of wish they would be the same color because then you can make earrings out of them. But you know what? Maybe I'll just make an understated pendant with these. 18 millimeter peak crackle agate teardrops. 18 karat gold plated wire. 2 pieces, $3.99. I could make some mismatched earrings, but if I did mismatched earrings with these, I would make sure that they definitely were mismatched, that it wasn't one of those things that I just threw them together and didn't pay attention to the fact that they were two different colors. This one's more of a purple, this one's more of a pink. I would make them definitely different. But whenever you do mismatched earrings, you do need to be careful that you make it look like you meant to be mismatched. Anyway, I really like this month's beads and the theme of sunrise. I am a beach girl. I love to go. I'm a Florida girl, so we have sunrises because I'm from the east coast of Florida. And I love to watch the sunrise. And maybe I'll find some pretty sunrise pictures for you and put them at the end of this video. But I want to thank you all for joining me. And you have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.